Good morning, guys. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Wofway TV. Today, I'm going to talk to you about working with the most recent forms, all right? And with this topic, I'm going to talk specifically about your affidavit of support, especially for those of you whose embassies require you to bring affidavit of support. Please, if this does not apply to you, then you can move on. You can skip this video, all right? And then watch other videos. But those of you who are required to submit affidavit of support, I've seen an outdated affidavit of support form that is not consistent with the current version. So today I'm going to show you how to look for the most current version. All right. Even with the most current version, the form may be expired because most of the immigration forms, they put an expiration date somewhere in the top right hand side corner and at the bottom right corner to indicate the expiration date of the form. But guys, don't place much importance to the expiration date. Just make sure that it is the most current version. Okay, if the form's date shows that it's expired but that is the most current version, you can still use it, but don't use one that has been outdated for long time. If there's a current version, use the current version. All right, so guys, this tutorial I'm going to show you how to look for forms and make sure that you're getting the so guys, in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the most recent affidavit of support form. And actually this step can be used for looking for any type of immigration form through the USCIS website. All right, so guys, stick around and watch this video. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go to Google. So we will type in USCIS name and search on Google. Here we have a result, and we go to USCIS website. USCIS website, we go to menu. In the menu, we select forms because we are dealing with a form, right? All forms, okay? We're not going to take part in that survey thing, so we just close that one out, all right? And that all forms is going to ask us what category that we're looking at. For me, I'm not going to even choose whether it's green card or it's whatever. We're just going to select forms again. So just be consistent here. Forms. That will get us to where we need. And then after we select that, we looking for forms, we can type the name in that search box. And I type in affidavit of support and then click search. All right. Now it's going to give us this various affidavit of support form. Now the one that we're interested in is I-134. We click on I-134 and it opens that page for us. Here you see there's I-134 instructions page, and then there's I-134. As you can see, I've come here to look at the instructions before. That's why the color is like a little bit reddish or pinkish. But if you want to look at the instructions, you can go ahead and click on the instructions and read it. But here we are just looking for the form. So I'll click on the form, the first one, and then it will open the PDF. This is the form. So you can download this and then use it for your affidavit of support form. If you look at the top right hand side corner, you will see the expiration date. That is February 28, 2021, right? So that is like it is expired, but that is the most current version. If there were any other version that is more current, this one wouldn't be here. So since we found this one on the USCIS website, then this is the most current version. So we use this one. You fill this one out. It has 8 pages. You fill the information that is applicable to you, and I'm talking about your sponsor. So your sponsor will fill out the part that is applicable to them, and that will be it. All right, so thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial, guys. But if you want to learn more about the Green Card Lottery process, you can join my Facebook groups: Green Card Lottery Africa, Green Card Lottery Ghana, Green Card Lottery Winners Moving to America /Wofway for other immigration process. Follow my official Facebook, click the thumbs up, Wofway TV. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, it is currently full for the DV 2022, but it will be open on May 7th when the announcement for DV 2023 begins. So if you apply for DV 2023 and when you get selected and you want to be part of my WhatsApp group, please hurry up and I'll go through the verification process so that you can be part of my WhatsApp group. But guys, subscribe, share my video with your friends and families. Thank you so much for your kindness and support. I love you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.